What's up guys, Andrew from AndrewLee.Ventures here. In today's video, you're gonna learn how to share videos on Twitter without having to retweet them. And you're gonna learn how to do it on desktop, iPhone, and Android. You're also gonna learn why this is super important and why you should be taking advantage of this crazy Twitter hack to grow your following, to grow your engagement. It's insane. If you aren't taking advantage of it, you should be. Stay tuned. Here's how to share videos on Twitter on your iPhone without retweeting them. First thing you're going to do is hold down the video like this. You'll see tweet video. Tap that. Add your text that you want. Make sure that the URL at the end is the URL of the video. So once you're done with that, tweet it like this, and here you go. You successfully shared your video without retweeting it. Here's how to share videos on Twitter without retweeting them on desktop. It's super easy, just follow these steps. So first, go over to the video that you want to share and click copy link. Paste this link into Twitter as if you're getting ready to tweet, and take away this text right here after the question mark and add this text, /video/1. Type whatever text you want with the video and press tweet. And there you have it. You've now shared a video without having to retweet. And it gives credit right here, if you look right here, to the original creator of the video. And here's how to share a video on Twitter without having to retweet on Android. It's the exact same way. So go over to the video that you want to share, press copy link, take out the text to the right of the question mark, add that /video/1, and press tweet. And that's it. You've now shared a video on Twitter without retweeting. Thanks so much for watching. It would mean the world to me if you could like and subscribe. It helps my channel reach more people in the YouTube algorithm, and it's completely free to do. So I'd really appreciate it.